Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm quickly going to just share with you the system that I use to trade Volatility 75, VIX 75 index. Somebody asked me from watching my videos, they wanted to also use the same system, and I decided, well, let me just do a video and share this system with everybody. By sharing, maybe some of you actually come up with better ideas of how to use this system. I developed the system myself, so yeah. I'm not like taking somebody's work and sharing it out, but it's something that I developed for myself. I use a similar system for trading Forex. If you are on my Forex trading channel, you are probably familiar with how I trade my Forex. Basically, support and resistance, supply and demand, key levels. That's how I trade. So that's the same concept that I have taken to trading these synthetic indices as well. And I've noticed that most of the time, not all of the time, most of the time, that same principle works. Most of the time, you can see the concept of key levels even works with synthetic indices. So again, I'm not saying this is going to turn you into a billionaire overnight. No, there's no such thing in trading. Trading is risky, it's painful, but it's also rewarding if you find a good system, a good trading strategy. So this is a good trading strategy that I've been using for myself. And you can see here I'm in a couple of buys. Hopefully we can get to somewhere around there. Let's just see if we get somewhere around there. That's how it will be looking. So I'm just watching these trades to see how we are going to pan out. Usually people are quick to want to put in their stop loss there. The nature of fix sometimes is the moment you move your stop loss to break even. I think in Forex as well, you quickly get taken out, but it happens. But in any case, the point of this video is that I'm going to be sharing system this system that I use for trading Volatility 75 index on my blog. The link will be in the description box below, so if you want to test it out for yourself as well. It's for MetaTrader 5. You know, you cannot trade VIX on MT4 because the broker is on MetaTrader 5. So this system is for MetaTrader 5, and if you want to download it again, the link will be in the description box below. So I'm just going to open up and show you the settings in case you miss the settings in that folder, but I think there's a template in there as well, but in case you miss the settings there. So let's just quickly see the settings that we have. So the first indicator that we have, you can see there, it's called candle time. Candle time is this. It just gives you a countdown of of the time that's left on a candle. Sometimes you don't want to enter a candle when it's about to close, and maybe then the next candle moves against you. So this is what it just does for me. It just tells me how much time is left on that candle, so that I decide on whether I still need to enter that trade, or maybe I should wait for the next candle to see what's going to happen. So that's basically what happens. Then there is this key levels indicator. I call it key levels biggest. Maybe if somebody wants to see the settings on my candle time indicator, those are the settings. I'm just giving you some time to jot down. I'm hoping that everything is clear. Let's see if there's no way of increasing the size of the window, unfortunately, but those are my settings on that candle timer. then okay. Then we go to this key levels biggest. This key levels biggest are these dashed lines. These dashed lines. This dashed. You can see there's black dashed lines and there's these green dashed lines. So that's the this indicator. It's the dashed lines. So we are just going to go into those settings. So properties, those are the properties that I actually have. Those are the properties that I have. So in case you are wondering what settings is you using, I'm giving you everything in this video, and in the link in the description box below you can go ahead and download the system and you can set it up for yourself. So these are the settings that I actually have. Then the last indicator will be round levels. It's this green, thick green, thick green, thick red, thick red, thick green indicator. It just show me my major levels, the major levels that I am watching. So if we go in there and we go properties, so let me just increase the size of this. So these are the levels, these are the settings, sorry, these are the settings that I'm actually using. Those are the settings that I'm actually using, in case you were wondering. You see, I've given you everything for free. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing so that you don't miss future videos. Also like the video and share it with your friends. I'm sharing with you guys because I believe in sharing, and that's what you can do as well. You can share this video with your other friends, or you can share the link to the blog. Maybe they can download it as well. Then maybe you can also work on what this system to refine it so that we make much more money out of it. So yeah, I thought let me share with you guys this system that I've been using to trade VIX 75. So far it has been working. Of course, I'm not saying that this is going to be a system that's going to turn you into a billionaire. No, because there's still a trader in between. There is still a trader somewhere here, because when price comes here, you still need to make a decision. Now that's where your forex trading comes in, where you decide, does this candle mean it's going to drop, or does it mean it's going to push up, and stuff like that. So what I usually do is, when a price comes to these levels, I'm looking for exhaustion. I'm looking for exhaustion. I'm looking for price to show me that it's now exhausted, which means it probably wants to push up. It doesn't want to go down. Or if it comes here and I keep seeing these wicks printing up at the top and there are no wicks at the bottom, it's showing me that there's probably pressure to what, to go down. So that's where the trader now comes in. So that's why I'm saying, you might find that I'm making money with the system, but then you might find that somebody is not making money with the system and you're wondering what's going on. So the system is probably, let's say, 80% of the work. It helps you to see the key levels, what probably you want to watch out for and stuff. And another key thing, when it comes to using this system is, I try not to trade these blank spaces. Here I just took the trade late, but ideally I want to take my trades around here. So sometimes I even go down to the 5-minute time frame. Sometimes I even go down to the 5-minute time frame. I want to take my trades quickly somewhere here, because volatility has a tendency of just boom, it shoots out. So I want to get in with even pending orders. Even pending orders, when I see that I'm convinced that it's not going to go down here, I can even enter here, or I can set pending orders here so that I get filled in as it continues to push up. When it comes to around here, these open spaces, I pretty much try to avoid it. For example, here, this top half. Let me do this. You can see because it's a buy, I try to enter this first half. This first half, I don't buy in this second half. I don't do it because I don't know what's going to happen. So it's probably going to turn around in the second half. So why should I start buying in the second half? I don't do that. If I'm convinced for a buy, I'm looking for a buy in this first half, and hopefully we get pushed up. That's it. If I'm looking for sales, only this first half is where I'm going to be looking for sales, hoping that we are going to be pulled down. But I don't start looking for sales in this second half. I don't do it. I wait on my hands. That's the rules when trading this system. And I believe this is a very, very simple system that anybody can use to trade. And let's just see. I also like to do this. Just to see, because sometimes candles are confusing. Sometimes candlesticks are confusing, so sometimes you might want to use the line chart as well. And you can see these are good levels for entering your buys or sales. Uh, good levels. Of course, when price comes here, I'm looking to taking out many of these positions and just leaving a few to see if it's going to push up around here, because we've been here before. And if it does, then good. If it doesn't, at least I've taken out most of my trades out. So that's how I use this system. Hopefully you get value from this video. Again, if you're looking to download this system, I've given you the settings that I have, and I've given you the files. The link will be in the description box below. Guys, like the video, subscribe. If you're looking for new brokers, see the links in the description box below. I will see you in the next one. Let's make this money.